Okay, first go to Google and type CodaShop PH. Or you can click the link down below in the description box. So here is what the site looks like. And once you are there, just click the search bar to save time. Type in Steam wallet code, click again, select the amount you want to purchase, choose Gcash option. Now type in your email account. Make sure everything is correct. The code will be sent on your email account, not your mobile phone. So once you are finished typing, click Buy Now. Hit continue and it will direct you to a payment Gcash link. After that, log in with your Gcash mobile number to pay for the respective amount you have chosen. Hit next, wait for the 6-digit code sent to your registered mobile number, and this might take a while. Then press next, log in with your Gcash 4-digit mobile PIN, smash that next button, click pay, and it's done. Next, go to your email, check your inbox, press the refresh button, click the unread mail by CodaShop, then press the steampowered.com wallet link, log into your Steam account. Once all of this is done, go and copy the Steam wallet code. Remember, always take out the dashes between the numbers and capital letters, then click continue. And that's basically it. Here is my updated Steam wallet now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.